Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 22nd, 2015. What a day it is to start out. Look at this market. It is rolling over in a big way. Futures are down about 35 points to 1928 per contract. So we are selling off in a massive way this morning. We'll see how this market plays out once the opening bell rings. But any way you slice it or dice it, there is sell-side action occurring all over the place. If you take a look at Europe, they are down big. Daimler Chrysler, or I should say Daimler, is down big, which is, Volkswagen is down big, and that is definitely weighing on some of the market in Europe. But all in all, everything is being sold. Nothing is being spared. This morning we are seeing the futures pummeling, getting tumbled right here, and also NASDAQ futures as well. They're down quite a bit also. So we're coming into a pretty volatile morning. We'll see how this plays out. But generally, when we got volatility like this, we're going to find some trading action on the day trading side, and that's the good part about it. So be prepared. If you want to come trade with us, come take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news today. We have a lot out here. KMX, CarMax, I believe they had some kind of earnings, but right now the stock is trading right where it closed. We're going to look at this one once the opening bell rings. I don't really see a lot of upside above the $64 level, so that could be a fade level. Keep it on your radar today, KMX. Let's take a look at Red Hat. They had earnings as well. Red Hat came out, and I think their numbers were pretty decent. But the stock right now is trading at 71 and a quarter, closed at 72.72 yesterday. So this is a pretty good little slip here. Again, the only level that would interest me for Red Hat would be a move down to around 66.90. Stock gets down there, that's where I would look at it, but it's a long way off. I don't know if we'll see that. Red Hat will be on our radar, though, once the opening bell rings today. Next one I'm going to look at is General Mills. I believe they also had earnings as well. The stock right now is trading at 57.10. Looks like it closed at 56.79, so it's upticking a little bit. It was up a lot more. By some chance, if General Mills gets to around the $59 area, that should be major resistance. Let's take a look at DR Horton. DRI is the ticker symbol here. Darden Restaurants, excuse me. Stock right now is trading at 71.99, closed at 70.29. Big resistance at 72.50. I know it did overshoot that by a little bit, but again, I'm seeing a ton of resistance at 72.50 once the opening bell rings. Be very careful with these names. If you own these, trail your stop losses. That's the best way to play it. Let's take a look at some metals and mining names. Rio Tinto getting hammered today. Stock closed at 35.32, now trading at 33.75. I don't have a level for it right now, but we will look at this once the opening bell rings. BHP Billiton, same type of stock, same type of company. Stock right now is trading at 32.67, closed at 34.15. Another metal and mining name that is getting hammered to the downside. FreeportMcMoran, copper producer. Stock's trading at $9.99, closed at $10.53. So we're seeing everything in that sector getting hit. You want to keep that on the radar today. Again, once the opening bell rings, we will be looking for levels here, and if we see any levels here, we will mention them now. Let's take a look at some European banks. Deutsche Bank getting hammered. Stock is trading at 27.62, closed at 28.51. That's a pretty good sell. There is some support here for Deutsche Bank, but again, in a weak market, it can go lower. Credit Suisse, same exact thing there. Stock is trading at 24.80, closed at 25.77. So European banks are coming under pressure. One level I do see for Credit Suisse would be around $23.80. If it got down there, that would be a tempting level for an intraday bounce. But keep that on the radar today. Goldman Sachs is in the news. Looks like Lloyd Blankfein, the CEO, has been diagnosed with lymphoma. So we'll see how that plays out. They say it's a very curable form. So again, stock is trading down a little bit. Closed at 183.35. It's trading at 180 now. It might have been trading down anyway. So I don't know if we can make so much out of that. But in any case, we do wish him well. Let's take a look at FCAU. stock is trading. This is Fiat Chrysler. All of the auto stocks are down. This is trading at 13.37, closed at 14.13. There is some specific news on this stock, but you have to look and see what it is. I can't remember offhand. Let's take a look at General Motors. They are down as well in sympathy to the Volkswagen news. Right now the stock is trading at 29.76, closed at 30.62. Let's take a look at Ford Motor. That is down also, trading at 13.96, closed at 14.32. Let's take a look at Tata Motor. TTM is the ticker symbol. Stock is trading at 23.95. It closed at 25.06. And then you got TM, which is Toyota Motor, stock's trading at 117.15, closed at 119.43. So everything in the auto sector is down. Bank stocks are down. Everything really across the board, and futures right now are down about $34.25. Now crude oil today is down $1.50. Right now I believe crude oil is trading at $45.48. Gold futures are getting hit as well. They're down about $9 at the moment to around $11.24 an ounce. So again, be very, very careful. We're seeing pretty broad-based sell-off to start the day, and we'll see how this market plays out. But once the opening bell rings. But again, if you want to come over to trade with us, we've had a stellar 2015. We've had some big money days. On days where the markets are down like this, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Intraday Stock Chat, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and once again, we will see you on the charts.